Welcome to the sailing vessel Hideaway. We're here in Gulfport, Florida, which is just west of St. Petersburg, Florida, right at the mouth of Tampa Bay. The temperature today is about 96 degrees and the humidity is not far behind. So this would be a good time to talk about cabin ventilation. How do you keep the mold out? How do you keep the cabin reasonably comfortable? And we're going to talk about how we use this bucket to do that. Alright, this is what it looks like installed over the portal. This has been in there for several days now and we've had several storms, so let's see how much water we actually caught. That is a typical storm in Florida this time of year. Now let me show you how all this works to prevent the water from coming into the boat. We have our bucket with our spring on it. What I do is on my portholes, and this is hole number 2, remember, so this is an older boat. The newer portholes actually have 2 hold down clamps. We only have 1, which works out pretty good for what we're doing. You take the clothespin, clip it onto that, raise the bail of the bucket on top of the clothespin, and then you just close your portal. You can adjust it a little bit, but no more than the length of the clothespin, because if you have this open, the water is going to blow in and it's going to get all over things you don't want it to get over. But as long as you keep the distance no greater than the length of that clothespin, the water will come up and hit the window and then fall down into the bucket, which is exactly what you want. We've been using this system for about 12 to 14 years and it's worked real good for us the whole time. Any bucket will do for this piece of work. This happens to be a leftover bucket from a drywall project. But let me show you a little bit better how the clothespin interacts with the window, or with the port. That's exactly what you want to have. There's enough of an opening there for air to flow through, and it does, especially when it's windy, but it does keep the water away.